In this video, I will show you how to sign up to get digital coupon email offers on HEB. So simply open my HEB app or go to Chrome and search for HEB. Click on the URL. Now right beside this cart icon in the top right corner, you can see this profile icon. Click on it. From here, you can log in or you can simply create an account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, this will be your home page. Simply click on the profile icon again. There you will find settings button. Click on it. Then there you can find the notification toggle called deals and promotion. Simply turn it on. Then after that you will be getting email notifications about new deals, promotions and coupons. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.